Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Sony SRS-XG500 portable Bluetooth speaker. Now you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $450. All right, so let's go through all of the features. X-balanced speakers for powerful bass and crisp sound. IP66 water resistant and dust-proof design. Up to 30 hours battery life with quick charging. So 10 minutes of charge will give you 3 hours worth of playtime. Lightweight design with carry handle for easy portability. Unleash your inner pop star with mic and guitar rear inputs. Connect and stream music easily with Bluetooth. You got RGB lighting for ambiance. All right, hashtag RGB life. Charge your device or play tracks via the USB ports. Now I'll show you how that works in a minute. You got the Fiestable app enhances the party. Personalize the sound using the Music Center app. And you can also connect up to 100 speakers using Party Connect. All right, so all of that for $450. Let's see what it is. Now, I know what some of y'all are going to say. Y'all remember that last Sony speaker I did? It was kind of trash. But one thing I will say, when it comes to boomboxes, Sony knows what they're doing. But at the end of this video, I'm going to answer the most important question. Which one sounds better? This or my favorite JBL BoomBox 2? Let's find out. Let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so here's what you get in the box. You got your usual books and shit, and you get the plug. Now, this is a big plug, and here's how the end looks. And, of course, you got your speaker. So let's take a closer look. All right, so just so you can get an idea of the size, here's an iPhone next to the speaker. Decent-sized boombox. Now, I will say it weighs about 5 pounds. You can easily carry this with one hand. Here's the front of the speaker, all cloth. I love that design. You got your power button, Bluetooth, play and pause, volume up and down, and you got your mega bass button. Little Sony branding on the handle. Flip it around to the back. Again, all cloth. Got a little port on the bottom. Open that up. You got your Party Connect button. Like I said, you can connect up to 100 speakers. You got your battery check button. You got your light button. You got your guitar button. You got your DC input. You got 2 USB A's. Okay, so one is a power bank and one is a flash drive. You also got audio in, 3.5 millimeter, and you got a 1/4-inch guitar input / mic input, and you can also raise or lower the volume. Speakers IP66, so cover that right up. On one side, there's your radiators, and they do vibrate with LED lighting around it. Now I'm gonna show you the LED lights. They look sick. Okay, same thing on the other side. Those radiators gonna be jumping. On the bottom, you got some rubber stoppers that's gonna keep it in place. And that's pretty much it. All right, so let's go ahead and power this up.
Bluetooth connected.
Okay, so you got voice prompts. Real simple setup. Just go to your Bluetooth parent menu and select the Sony XG500. All right, so the next thing you want to do is download the Sony Music Center app. Now, this is going to let you control your speaker, and I'll just breeze through this real quick. It shows you your speaker name, got your battery percentage, Bluetooth indicator, got your library, you got the Fiestable app. I'll show you that in a minute. You got audio in, USB, music, SoundCloud, and settings. Now, if you go to settings, you can change some of the sound settings. Okay, now no custom EQ, but you got your mega bass and your DJ effects. Go to power options, put it in stamina mode. You got battery care. You can have a power on and off sound. Put it in auto standby. Go crazy with it. You got illumination. Change all your RGB lights. All right, so you got delightful, rave, chill, strobe, hot, cool, cute, fresh, calm, daylight. That's pretty cool. Other settings, you got your Bluetooth connection quality. And you got system. That's how you're going to do your updates. Now, if you go to Fiestable app, this is going to be your DJ app. All right, so you can get karaoke, you got illumination, motion control. Now, you can't really see the RGB lights right now with the lights on. I'm going to dim it in a minute. But if you want to, you can change different colors. Let me go to a custom color real quick. Let's do red. Okay, you see it's kind of on red right now. Put it on blue. Like I said, I'll dim the lights and you get a better look. All right, so now let's do the most important test, the sound test. All right, make sure you got your headphones on. I'm going to start off at 50% volume with mega bass turned off. Here we go. right, let's increase the max volume. Let's hit mega bass. All right, here we go. Okay, this speaker sounds great. Now, like I said before, man, you're only as good as your last product. Y'all remember I was trashing that last Sony speaker? This ain't that. All right? Sony, I don't know about all that 3D sound and all that. Y'all can miss me with that one. But when it comes to boom boxes, Sony is the truth. Let's come through with another song. Oh, this sounds dope. All right, hold on a second. Let me turn off the lights so y'all can see the RGBs. Now I'm basically just going through some of the different settings. Try a different one. Let's try the other side. All right, so here we go. Battle of the Bluetooth speakers. Now, on one side, we got the challenger, the Sony XG500. And on the other side, we got the champ, the JBL BoomBox 2. Now, we're going to do this fair. I got two iPhones, same song, same settings. My prediction, I'm going with JBL, but let's see what it is. Now, make sure you got on your headphones or you're watching this video with a quality system. Here we go. Let's start off with the challenger, the Sony. Okay, now the Sony does sound good, but here's the JBL. Now look, I'm sitting right in front of both of these speakers, but I don't care what kind of headphones you got on right now or what system you're watching this video on. If you can't hear the difference in that bass from the JBL, you need to get your hearing checked. All right, this is not even close. The JBL sounds much better. Again, here's the Sony. Listen to the clarity and the cleanness of the bass. All right, y'all, this is the Sony. Here we go. Okay, here's the JBL. Listen to how clean that bass is. Even the instruments sound clearer. All right, here we go. JBL, let's go. Bro, do you hear the difference? Again, the Sony speaker does sound good. A lot of speakers sound good until you put them side by side with the JBL. Then you realize how good JBL speakers really are. Now, the Sony speaker does have more features. You got the RGB lights. It looks better. But for sound quality, I'm definitely going with the JBL BoomBox 2. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, all right, for $450, I would have to pass on this one. And let me say this. If you're going to compare it to the JBL BoomBox 2, the JBL BoomBox 2 sounds way better. Even though the Sony has more features, it looks better, and you got those beautiful RGB lights, more battery life with quick charge. But for $450, nah, bro, this is overpriced. It should have been $350 and it would have been perfect. But if you're going to spend $450, drop an extra $50 and go with the JBL BoomBox 2, you heard the difference in sound quality for yourself. So Sony, y'all got to calm down with the prices. All right, this one's a little bit TGH, too goddamn high. Like I said, $350, jump on it. $450, I would wait. All right, I would wait. It sounds nice. It looks nice. Has a lot of features. But it's not $450 nice compared to a JBL BoomBox 2, which is basically blowing this out the water. Anyway, I know. Here we go again with Sony. Sony SRS-XG500. Like I said, if you could get it for $350, jump on it. I would wait, though. I would wait for $450. I would wait. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. Don't meet boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Flossy, I'm out. Deuces. Spot 1 to beam up. Energize.
I want everybody to subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real tech reviews. Now, Flossy Carter, we know you flossy. Now, guess what? I'm flashy. Money may all day, the one and only. Flossy Carter, you're part of the money team.